Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust text font size in a PDF file using PDF Access Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF Access Editor and click on this home option, this menu bar, and select this edit down arrow. Now select text. Now click on this text box and select on this format option and say this text font size now 15. You can increase it or decrease. I'll make it 14 and also click on this text box. This text box text font size 17 and simply I'll make this text 14 and say this. Also I'll increase this one, I'll make it 15, increase 15 and say this. Also I'll increase this one 15. In this you can make text similar size and adjust your text font size. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.